Good morning, everybody. It's hump day here in Pensacola, Florida. This is Martelli's sweatshop. Hi, ladies. I so love this group of ladies. They have been volunteering their time and efforts to make masks for us. These are for the military. We're doing a nice serge style mask and sewing machine. This whole process, we're doing assembly line. Everybody's got their big pile that they're doing. And we're almost, that's like the fitted finish style right there. Would you show that again and open it up? We're doing a solid on the outside, black, and then on the inside, it's going to be green or navy or blue, I think. Oh, look at Beth over there modeling for us. So Beth's face is way too small, or that mask is way too big. So I love it. Oh, this is so fun. Thank you guys so much for coming in and giving us your time. And for Martelli allowing us to be here doing this and then providing food for us to keep us going and all the materials and everything else too. Hey, Valerie. Hey, Amy. Good to see you guys. Thanks for watching. Hey, Pat. Good to see you here. Thanks, guys. Hey, Marianne from California. Everybody, please stay safe. We're trying to help our military stay safe with these face masks. And again, it's so nice to be able to sit and sew for a little while during the day and just have some camaraderie with the ladies here. Thanks, guys. Bye.